Alaikum. Our third topic is alphabetical order. What are alphabetical order? Words are arranged in alphabetical order according to the first letter. This means that we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. For example, we have words like apple, butterfly, donut, and fish. Just focus on the first letter. The first letter of apple is A. The first letter of butterfly is B. The first letter of donut is D. And the first letter of fish is F. So these words are already arranged according to the alphabetical orders. Now, when more than one word begins with the same letters or letter, list the words according to their second or third letters, and so on. For example, we have words like actor, alligator, anthill, and apple. So, just notice the first letter of these words. The first letter is A. So, we have to arrange these words according to the second letter. The second letter of actor is C. The second letter of alligator is L. The second letter of anthill is N. And the second letter of apple is P. So these words are arranged according to the second letter of alphabetical order. Now look at these examples. Look at the list 1, actor, alligator, anthill, and apple. The first letter of these words are same, so we arrange these words according to the second letter. Now look at the list 2, which are claw, clean, clone, club. The first and second letter of these words are same, so we arrange these words according to third letter. Now look at the last list: canal, cane, canister, and canopy. So the first three letters are same, which are C-A-N. So we arrange these words according to the fourth letter. Now look at the page number 11, exercise A. Write the names of the 8 objects in this picture in alphabetical order. Just look at the picture and write down the names according to the picture. For example, we have a picture like bag, coat, lamp, mirror, piano, table. So write down these words in copy. Now come to exercise B. Arrange the words in each group in alphabetical order. Look at the first letter of each words. We have to arrange these words according to the first letter. For example, look at the list 1. First word is doubt, youth, broad, active, lenient. So the first letter is A. So we have to find out the word which start from A. So the word is active. So I write 1 on the active, and second is broad. The first letter is B. So after A, B comes. So second is broad. Third is doubt. 4 is lenient, and the last is youth. And the first letter of youth is Y, so it becomes at the last. Now look at the exercise C. Look at the second letter of each word when arranging them in alphabetically. We have to arrange these words according to the second letter. The first letter are same of these words. Look at the one: plank, press, panic, punch, purge. So the first letter is the same. So look at the second letter. The second letter of plank is L. The second letter of press is R. The second letter of panic is A. So A comes first. So write down 1 on panic. Second is purge. Third is plank. Press 4 and punch 5. Now do exercise D in book. This exercise also be same like B and C. We have to arrange these words according to third letter. The first and the second letter are the same. We have words like decide, demand, deadly, defeat and debtor. So पहले आएगा deadly because D, E are the first letter and these are the same. So D, after D, E, A comes and A is the first letter. So deadly is the first and second is debtor, third decide, fourth defeat, five demand. These three exercises will be done in book and exercise A will be done in copy. Thank you.